Welcome everybody to this edition of Attention Talk Video. I'm your host, ADHD and Attention Coach Jeff Copper, and today we're here with Heather Rogers, co-owner of Time Timer. Heather, welcome to the show.
Hi, Jeff. Thanks for having me.
I'm so grateful for Time Timer. You have been such a supporter of the Attention Talk Network, and it's because of people like you and organizations like you that we're able to provide the content for our viewers and listeners. So today, people with ADHD are having to work from home more and more because of the pandemic, and I think it's when this is over with, it's going to be more of life in the future. And you guys had Time Timer, which helps people with ADHD because they struggle with working memory. See the passage of time. Visual imagery is needed in order to see time elapse, and if you have a digital clock, it's hard to visualize that. So the Time Timer is a pie-shaped timing device that you can see the passage of time, but you guys have actually combined it with a small whiteboard. Can you show us what that looks like?
Here it is right here. We call it the Mod Plus Dry Erase Board.
And we've done some interviews with Dr. Russell Barkley on working memory and motivation, and one of the things to be motivated is you begin to visualize a goal or something that you need to do. And with neurotypicals, that's easy for them to do, but with people with ADHD, that's difficult to do. And with that little whiteboard, not only do you have the passage of time on a task, but you can actually put your goals or what you're trying to accomplish right there in visual sight. And Heather, show us yours, because yours is actually, you've got what you have today on yours. Can you show it to us and explain it?
Yeah, this is actually how I start my day every day in the office. It's my first hour or, less than an hour if I can accomplish it more quickly. The first thing I do is skim my overnight emails because I work with people who are based in Asia. So their workday has ended, at the time that mine's beginning. So I want to know what's going on there. And having the timer showing helps me remember to not read the other emails that can wait until later. Because I know I've set aside this time, and then I figure out what the top priorities are, and then I review that with my schedule so that I can really plan out my day. Mm-hmm. And then I will be checking off these boxes as I do finish the tasks, because that makes me feel good. I'm kind of I like to accomplish things and get things done personality.
So there's so much cool ADD stuff that's built into this. One is you see the passage of time and stay on task, number one. Number two is you're showing your goal-directed behavior in that period of time in a very simple format on that whiteboard. And as time passes, you're having to interact and change that throughout the day. So you have to stop and you have to pause and think about what you're doing, which actually helps you with the pause and helps you with intentionality. And so I just love this product, how it's all really kind of come together, because it's really more than a timing system. It's a self-management system when you think about it.
Oh, I love that. Self-management. That's a great descriptor.
Since ADHD is an issue of self-regulation or self-management or self-control, it's like right at the sweet spot. And so again, I'm really excited that you came on the show. We're able to show our viewers what this really looks like. For our viewers, you can get one of these by going to timetimer.com. Mm-hmm. And with that, Heather, thank you so much for coming on the show.
My pleasure. Thanks, Jeff.
Everyone, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button if you're new, and leave some comments. What do you think of this? And also, I love our comments. If you come up with another clever idea for this, please let us know, because we'd like to share it with everybody else. So we hope you've enjoyed this. Take care.